framing for the hardwire cloth we're working on.
Don't get it.
That's good.
I can dance the Backstreet Boys, okay?
You mean the 2x6?
Yeah,
Damn, I'm gonna trip clean over that.
that's the thing.
Yeah, that's better.
You want to do 4x4?
I had to put my snacks down.
Oh no. I'm gonna twist it, you just gotta screw it in.
All right. Explain to them why you're moving it.
I'm moving it because the wife doesn't like where it's at.
The reason we're doing this is because the door needs to hang on this side and this 6x6 isn't straight. So we have to put another board here that is straight.
No, the 6x6 up and down is straight. The actual board itself isn't straight.
I said the board's not straight. I didn't say it was because you put it in not straight.
We'll make it. Hey.
Oh, that's good right there. Oh, yeah.
Good.
Yeah.